Picture this. You're juggling multiple projects, each with its own set of deadlines and demands. As a young professional in today's fast-paced world, you're constantly seeking ways to stay ahead of the curve, to do more with less, and to make your life easier. In this video, we're diving into the latest tech advancements that can supercharge your productivity, allowing you to accomplish more in less time and to do it with ease. Get ready to discover the tools that will take your efficiency to the next level and help you conquer your workload like never before. Let's start with an easy win: your smartphone. It's not just for making calls and sending messages. There are apps that can significantly boost your productivity. For instance, use an app like Google Calendar or Outlook to schedule your day, set reminders, and manage your time effectively. These tools help you organize your tasks and avoid missing important deadlines. Next, let's talk about note-taking apps. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who just wants to stay organized, note-taking apps can be a lifesaver. Use apps like Evernote or Notion to capture ideas, research, and meeting notes. These apps allow you to access your notes from anywhere and keep all your thoughts in one place. Alright, let's dive deeper into the world of productivity apps. Project management apps like Trello or Asana can help you organize your work and collaborate with others more efficiently. Communication tools such as Slack or Microsoft Teams can streamline your messaging and keep your team connected. And for those who love visual organization, mind mapping apps like Mindly or XMind can help you brainstorm ideas and connect concepts. Now let's shift our focus to time management. The Pomodoro technique is a popular method for improving focus and managing time. And there are apps like Forest or Tide that can help you implement this technique. These apps provide a timer along with background sounds or visuals to help you stay focused and take breaks effectively. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of automation. There are apps like Zapier or IFTTT that can automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and reducing the chance of errors. These apps connect different services and tools so that you can create workflows that suit your needs. As a young professional, you have the opportunity to embrace new technologies and tools that can make your work life easier and more efficient. From project management and note-taking to time management and automation, the right tech tools can help you stay organized, focused, and on top of your game. So which tools do you use to boost your productivity? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.